In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll walk through how to find Binance from a Google search, open the trading interface, and adjust the chart to use candlesticks. Then save those settings so they stick. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Binance. You should see the official result near the top, typically labeled something like Binance, the world's most trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Click that result to open the official site. As you land on the page, take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct domain, Binance.com, and that your connection is secure. This small check helps you avoid lookalike sites. Once you're on the Binance homepage, look for the main navigation at the top. Find the trade option and click it. This opens a menu with several choices for different trading interfaces. From that menu, click on Spot. Spot trading is where you buy and sell crypto for immediate delivery, and it's the most straightforward place to view price charts and place simple orders. After the Spot page loads, you'll see the trading layout. A price chart in the center or left, the order book and recent trades nearby, and controls to choose your trading pair. Don't worry about the specific asset shown. The process is the same regardless of the pair. Now, move your cursor over the chart area and right-click directly on the chart. This opens a context menu with chart-related options. From that menu, click on Chart Settings. Chart Settings is where you control how the chart looks and behaves, including colors, overlays, and the type of visualization you use. Inside Chart Settings, select Candle as your preferred chart type. Candlestick charts are widely used because they show the open, high, low, and close for each period, giving you a quick read on momentum and volatility. You'll notice that each candle conveys more information than a simple line, which can help you understand price action at a glance. With candle selected, look for the Save option and click Save. Saving ensures your preference is applied and preserved, so the next time you open the chart, it defaults to candlesticks without extra clicks. That's it. You searched for Binance via Google, opened the official site, navigated to trade, entered the Spot interface, right-clicked the chart, opened Chart Settings, chose Candle, and saved your changes. If your layout ever resets, just repeat these steps to restore your preferred view. Thanks for watching, and keep your chart setup consistent so analysis becomes faster and more reliable each time you trade.